Hi children, welcome back. In previous lesson what we studied in judiciary. In judiciary we learn about the legal branches. Two branches were there in the legal system. What are the two branches? One is criminal law, another one is civil law. So in this lesson we'll see the criminal justice system. So today our lesson is in civic chapter 6 module 1 understanding our criminal justice system. Give few examples for criminal law. Yes children? Yeah, murder, theft, harassing for dowry. These all come under the examples of criminal justice. Suppose anybody violated law in the society, then who will arrest them if anybody violated? Yes, police will arrest them. Then police can give the punishment to them? No. Then who will give punishment? Suppose that person is guilty or not, who will decide? Yes, court will decide. Then the police will send to the court that case, and in the court trial, so under the trial the judge will decide the accused person. So after a person is arrested, it is a court of law that decides whether the accused person is guilty or not. According to the constitution, every individual charged of a crime has to be given a fair trial. In the court, they will conduct the fair trial. In that only they will decide accused is guilty or not. So in detail today in our module we'll learn about the what is the role of the police, how we'll take the FIR, then what is the fair trial. This all we can see one case study. So, objectives of a criminal justice system was to prevent the occurrence of crime. They will stop. So, then to punish the criminals and to rehabilitate the criminals. That criminals after decided that crime he is guilty, then they will send to the jail. There they will give the shelter and they will change the mindset of the criminals. Next, to compensate the victims as far as possible. So because of this accused who are sufferer, victim is there for them, what he got the loss, that is called the compensation. So they will compensate as far as possible. Then they maintain the law and order in the society. Then to deter the offenders from committing any criminal in the future. Okay, this all in detail we'll see. So here what you can say here. So fictional case. Here one fictional case is there. They gave one example here. In this we'll see how the process is taking on in criminal justice system. See here, she is Mrs. Shinde. So they are living in the Mumbai apartment in Mumbai. She is Mrs. Shinde. So they are planning to go to party after dress she is checking for gold chain, but she thought that gold chain was not there in the table. Then husband came and he asked what happened. She told, I did not find my gold chain. It is missing. Then she called her servant, Shanti. So she suspected that it was stolen by the servant, Shanti. Then Mr. and Mrs. Shinde, they opened the suitcase of Shanti. In that, they found 10,000 rupees in the Shanti's suitcase. Then, with that money, they thought that she only stolen the chain. Then they went to file a case. They went to police station. Here they went to the police station. Then here SI Rao, Sub Inspector Rao record the FIR. Mr. Shinde's FIR he is recording. Then next day they came to their house with the SI. See in this case, in this picture, SI he is a SI. So Mr. Shinde and wife and they came and they hand over the envelope. In the envelope they got 10,000 money and they hand over to the SI. Now this SI with this cover, he thought that she is the accused. Shanti, servant is the accused. Then he arrested the Shanti. He took the 10,000 money cover plus Shanti to the police station. Next day, Sushil. He is the Sushil, Shanti's brother. He know the what happened. Then he came to police station. He is asking the SI. What he is requesting, please, my sister Shanti, she don't know, she is innocent. She did not theft the gold chain. He requested, please send my sister back. But he refused. SI refused to this one to listen. He shouted, bring bail. So forcibly in the police station, this SI kept Shanti 2 days in the police station only. And this Sushil he is working in a factory. Then what happened after few days they brought the bail, but she is unable to release. Why they are unable to release from the jail? The court granted the bail even though, but she was unable to get anyone stand surety. Nobody is willing to give surety her. If they get the surety, 20,000 the court is asking. Bail is there, but they have to keep surety also 20,000. Nobody is ready to give that surety. So she is continued in the jail only. She is worrying about what is happening in the court trial. Now they after 2 days she was sent to the court. There the trial will take place. So she is worried what will happen in the court. She is innocent actually, but she is worrying what will happen. So here, according to the Article 22 Constitution, every person has a fundamental right to be defended by a lawyer. Then suppose here Shanti, she was very poor. So if anybody due to poverty or other disability, the government provide a lawyer on behalf of any citizen who is unable to engage because of the poverty or disability under the section 39A. So under section 39A, they appointed one advocate to Shanti. She is the advocate of Shanti. Her name is Kamala Rai. So she came to the court in the fair trial. Then this Kamala, now Shanti and Shanti's brother, they hand over the papers, case papers to Kamala Rai. My case papers, I have been accused of stealing my employee's gold chain, and they found 10,000. She is saying, Shanti is saying to her lawyer, they found 10,000 in my suitcase. So they thought that I did this stolen the chain, she told. So here one more lawyer on behalf of the Mr. Shinde. So the court frames a charge of theft of Mr. Shinde gold chain and possession of money 10,000 got from the stolen property against the Shanti. So, like this, these two lawyers here again, this lawyer is asking, tell me, Mr. Shinde, how did the gold chain was missing? He is asking this lawyer. Next, Mrs. Shinde, she is saying, I kept my chain in the my table drawer. Then no outsider will come in my house, only except Shanti. Shanti will come daily to my house and she will clean my house, and she goes into my room. So I search her trunk. In that 10,000 is there in the envelope. She is a thief. Like that she told to lawyer. But here Kamala, the lawyer of Shanti, she is arguing. She is asking Mrs. Shinde. So you are saying she stolen the chain. Can you saw that one? Can you saw she is stealing? She said no. Then can you find the chain in her trunk? Mrs. Shinde said no. Also, nothing has been stolen from the house. You are also regularly paying her 10,000 rupees. So from 1,000 rupees every month she saved that money. So this 10,000 money she saved. What you are giving monthly salary, she saved that money. She did not. So like this cross examination, they did the lawyers both. Lawyer of Mrs. Shinde and lawyer of Shanti's, they got one conclusion. Then afterwards, what happened? See here, Sharma, Inspector Sharma, he gang of young men, he one gang is there. That gang, he found that gang, they stolen the jewelry from neighboring house of the Shindes, and also they got in that gang Shinde's son friends also is there. They are the Shinde's son gang. So they thought that this they found in that jewelry Mrs. Shinde's chain also is there in that neighboring jewelry, in the with the gang stolen that jewelry. In that jewelry this chain also is there. Mrs. Shinde chain also is there. Now Advocate Roy, what she is saying? So now call Inspector Sharma as a defense witness. So he is showing now chain is there. So Shanti is not guilty. So the judge hear both the witnesses. He saw this Shanti's lawyer what she told, and this one also the lawyer of the Mrs. Shinde what that after hearing this all testimony of all the witnesses and arguments of the Roy and the public prosecutor, now he came one conclusion. So here she is not the guilty. Shanti is not the guilty. So like this in the court they will decide. Suppose the accused, earlier she is accused person, means guilty person. But after the fair trial it decided that she is not the guilty. So in this, from this incident what we learn? So here the major role is the police in the criminal justice system. We can see main role the police, public prosecutor, defense lawyer and judge. So the key players in the criminal justice system were police, public prosecutor, defense lawyer and judge. So once again we'll recap what Article 22 is saying in the Indian Constitution. Every person has a fundamental right to be defended by a lawyer. Next 39 what it says? State has to provide a lawyer to any citizen who is unable to engage due to poverty or maybe disability. On behalf of them, government will provide the lawyer. Okay, children. In the next module, we will see what is FIR, what is the role of the police, and what is the fair trial. Okay, children. Bye.